Hi guys, it's me again. If you're new here, you're all welcome. I'm Basie Manga, and this is yet another video. So basically, this video is it's gonna be like it's a house tour. I am at Karen. It's some really pretty cottage. Clearly, as you can see from inside, it looks pretty and breathtaking. So I'm just like gonna show you guys the house, how it is, and all that. And yeah, if you wanna come for a staycation or a vacation for the weekend, probably this is definitely the place to be because it's nice. So I don't want to make this video long and bore you guys, so yeah, let's begin. So this is it to the Ephraim. So you just take this trail up, down, like that, like that. We go. It's like a whole long process, like a whole long way, but yeah. Okay, I don't know if it's because I've watched like lots of horror movies, but this path, oh my god, I don't know. Especially when it's at night. I didn't get to like take a video when it was at night, but you guys should just see this place during nighttime. But oh well. So guys, I'm gonna start with outside. Really nice and cozy place over here. You can sit, relax, eat, drink, anything. Take pictures. Yeah. We have some little decor over here on this tree. Yeah. So yeah, that's just it basically. There's just some trees on this other side, nothing much. There's a really nice breeze over here, by the way. And here's the cottage. Yep, that's it. Just look at it. Let me move back a little so you guys can see the whole thing. And yeah, that's it all the way up. Amazing. I love it. Yeah, that's basically just the outside part. Yeah. So there's this part here with some cute plants and a couch and some two candles you can light up at night. Really lights up the place. And yeah, you can also sit and sip your coffee, eat your wings. I've shown you this other side. So yeah, just sit here and relax. Basically, this is just the outside part, but I love it. Oh, how could I forget these accessories over here? See how pretty that look? Amazing. So this is the living room, guys. This is the entrance. I'm gonna show you like how it looks like right now in the morning and at night, so you guys can see. So this is the kitchen area. Yeah, this is the kitchen area. We have a mirror here. How pretty is that? Yeah. And then over here is the study area. This cute little space. This is where the cups and plates are, the pots, the bowls. Sorry, just open my this. Next, we go to the a little small space, but so we have a mirror here, and this is where the sink is, the shower. Toilet, some cute little pictures over there. The hand towel, this is where we put towels, face towels and all that. And then we have over here, our towels. Yeah, so that's it for the bathroom. Just so when we're going like this, we're going to the room. This is actually also a window, but it really always stay like that because there's nothing on the other side. So it normally stays like that. Yeah, and these are the stairs going up to the room. Yeah, so when you climb here, you just gotta be careful because they're a little bit steepy. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but let me show you the view like when I'm up. Let me open this. There's also a window here. It's big. It's big. Big. See? It's all the way up. Yeah, and this is the stairs. See how it looks? They look like from here. Yeah. So you gotta be careful with that. So this is the. Okay, so here's the room. It's pretty much it. We have sockets there, light. Oh. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Let me show you the other side and everything. Yeah. So it looks from this side. That's the window. That's pretty much it. And there's this view over here. All the way. So basically that's just it. Let's just do. Zoom on the other side. That's pretty much it. It's pretty much it. Nothing much on this other side, on the outside though. Yeah. Yep. That's it. That's how it looks at night, guys. Pretty creepy, but it's cute. I'm show you inside now. Okay, so that's how it looks at night. Just a quick view how it looks at night. So you can see the difference between the day and night. This is like the upward. You see that? So cute. Yeah, that's just it. Nothing much. So I've come to the end of this video, and the host of this place is called Alisa. She's a really nice lady. You guys should definitely come and have a staycation or vacation or just for the weekend. You'll definitely love this place. I feel sad that I had to leave, but oh well. That's it from me, guys. See you next time. Bye.